Hi everyone, welcome to your Mimic channel again. Today I am going to explain you about a very critical product used in industry, that is maintenance lamp or safety lamp. Generally it is being used where the machine maintenance is there. Any type of machine, elevators, escalators or emergency operation, generally this maintenance lamp is being used. Also below the locomotives or trains where the light is not there and you want to do something or you want to work something, these lamps are being used. Now these lamps are called as hand lamps or inspection lamps. These inspection lamps and hand lamps are till 5 years to 10 years back were being used of glass body or glass top. These glass tops generally of very substandard quality, so it breaks, and light inside was of filament type. So whenever you do maintenance, many times problems were there that the lamp blows off because of the filaments, or if it gets dropped, the glass gets broken. So that was the scenario for last 50 years. Say 5 to 10 years back, Mimic has evolved or come out with the lamps which are rugged, drop free. That means when you drop it, nothing breaks. 100% made inside India, inside our factory in Ambernath. Each and every part of these lamps are being manufactured by Mimic. So naturally, when we tell our customers that these lamps has got a life minimum of 10 years, because after say 5 years or 6 years something got damaged physically or internally, we repair it or replace it. So you don't have to throw out these hand lamps anytime, even after purchase up to 10 years. So these lamps, maintenance lamps, has got two variations. One is the smaller one and another one is a bigger one. So the difference is these two lamps, first of all I will tell you the name. This is called as Sparrow and this is called as Eagle. This Sparrow hand lamp is up to 14 watt and this Eagle lamp is 14 watt, 20 watt and 36 watt. These are the three models. Again I can tell you, this 36 watt inspection lamp or safety lamp or hand lamp, we are the only manufacturer, at least in India. I don't know about the world, but at least in India we are only and number one in this type of lamps. And even in hand lamp category, we say that we are number one in India, because the reasons are many. First, the body. This body is designed to properly heat dissipate the light generated by these LEDs. So this extrusion, even the die of extrusion, we have made our own. So body is our own. Top is polycarbonate, which stands for different temperatures, high temperatures, and it is break free. When you drop it, it doesn't break. Then comes the handle and the bottom part. This is engineering grade ABS plastic. This handle is rubberized handle, rubber coated handle. This is the mounting hook which has been provided, and it's a very light lamp, weight lamp, and this is up to 14 watt. In this there are two variations. One is with wire, and the supply, what you can supply is 24 volt AC. This 24 volt AC supply is universally accepted for all type of hand lamps throughout the world, because it is safe to handle. If wire breaks, nothing happens. So this 24 volt AC, generally the wiring is being run throughout the industry for hand operated tools. So with this 24 volt AC, hand lamp can be operated. Second one is rechargeable hand lamps. In the Sparrow we have got rechargeable also. In that the battery is inbuilt and this is totally wireless. So where the wire is not possible, supply is not there, you can use this lamp with wireless facility, and that particular battery inside, the battery inside lasts for at least for 3 to 4 hours. This is the Sparrow lamp. In this Eagle, This eagle, again the same extruded body is there with heat dissipation, proper heat dissipation. Die, we manufacture our own die. Ours is the extrusion body. Then this is a top polycarbonate body with heavy duty thickness. It is again a drop free, having a wire mesh on the outer side, which is an international standard. It is having a lifting hook on the top, lifting hook at the bottom. The handle is aluminum die-casted handle. So it is again a very rugged type of application, rugged type of a hand lamp in 14 watt, 28 watt and 30 watt. Again in this also we have got rechargeable and 24 volt AC, both models. Apart from this, many factories doesn't have 24 volt AC. For them we give power supplies which are connected to these hand lamps, having input of 230 volt AC and output of 230 volt AC and output of 24 volt AC. This can be used wherever you need, where the 24 volt AC supply is not needed. Also for rechargeable hand lamps we give power banks and hand lamps. So whenever the battery discharges, this power bank powers this lamp. You can use it for 8 hours. These are the basic variations of hand lamps. Other things, other models, bigger models than 36 volts, we call it as LED rechargeable floodlights. That is also being used for maintenance. That I will explain you in my next video. Thank you.